Okay, Mini Cooper, this one is a 2007. The cooling fan, which we now have out of it, was only working on stage 2. So even if we tried to activate it with the scan tool, stage 1 would not work, but stage 2 would. So the vehicle was overheating without stage 1. And check this out, this is the low speed fan resistor, and because this one happens to all broken away there, you can actually see the break in it there. Cool, so that's part of the fan shroud. So we've already got a new fan unit here for it, with all of that in there. Cool, so we'll put that one back in, and that will sort our problem out. So a bit of a job getting it out. It's not too bad, but just basically taking all the stuff off the front and removing the radiator. So bumper skin off, the bumper bar off here. You don't need to degas the aircon, you can just drop this out of the way and work around it. And basically this whole plastic frame comes off the front there, and there are these here that fit into the front here. Those are in the way, so you just got to undo the bolts underneath there and just give them a knockout with the hammer, get those off, undo all the wiring, undo the 2 radiator hoses, top and bottom, and this whole unit comes out. And then there are 2 clips that go in these top corners, so they have these in the center of them, so it's just a matter of if you unscrew it a bit and you can pull that center out. And then these ones here on the back, you've got to push all 3 of those tabs in to get them to pull through the cover, and then the radiator can tilt and pull out. Cool, so we'll put this back together, get it going. Okay, so just a note too, this does actually have 2 separate relays for the 2 fan stages. So if we look in here, we've got R3 and R4, they're actually marked 1 and 2. So stage 1, stage 2. So you want to make sure that your relay is working and is all okay, obviously, before you pull the front of the car off. So that's the simple thing to go to first to check. So yeah, pretty common problem, these resistors. Okay, so we're just in the process of putting this back together. So we're putting these pieces back on, which slide in there, but see, you've got these caps which probably fall off when you take these off. That's what it did to me. This is where they actually fit. They fit into the end of the chassis rails here. Well, part of that subframe anyway. Fit into there before this piece slides on. Cool, so we'll give that a bit of a tap with the hammer to line up those bolt holes. Yep, those need to come off in order to get all this out, so yeah, just so you know, that's where those caps go. Okay, so this is what we have here: electric fan stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So it's all operating that same fan. So no fans running at the moment, we'll need to get the temperature up. There we go. hear that fan going now. Don't know if you'll be able to see it. It's in the front of the place. So that's our big front. Cool, and our temperature is dropping. Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click a like and subscribe for more real tips from Real Mechanics.